Hi everyone, welcome to my 12 Days of Kandi challenge. Today is day 12 and we are going to be making a like a candy star, maybe a little bit 3D. Yeah, so we're going to use regular size yellow pony beads, some mini pony beads in yellow, and some mini pony beads in the clear sparkly yellow. I am not sure how this is going to turn out, but I have an idea, so I'm going to go with that. Okay, 10 beads on the string, alternating with the big yellow and the clear yellows. Okay, so that's my my 10 beads there, alternating big and small with the clear. And if you don't have the clear, I'm pretty sure the regular ones will be fine. And if you don't have two sizes of pony beads, I'm sure one size would be fine too. Okay, so I'm gonna do a single knot and a double knot. And I do this because I use fishing line. And I just want to hold everything in place. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. I am let me go with that. Looks good. I am taking one of my strings and I'm going to pull it through. Pulling it through the clear bead, because what I want is, I'll pull this a little bit to the left. Okay, what I want is for the knot to be inside that clear bead. So I want the string to be coming out of that one clear bead. Okay, so now I'm going to take one string, doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to add 4 clear beads. And then I'm going to go to the next clear bead. I'm going to pick up my neighbor, which is that next clear bead. Just like that. So that now I have 4 beads on. Okay, I'm going to repeat that. 4 beads. Through the next clear bead. Four beads. So a lot of you have made the regular star, the 5-pointed star, and that one uses 5 beads here instead of the 4. So that's all we're doing here. We're just making a star. Clear bead, and then, ooh, I like almost got the perfect amount of beads. It would have been really satisfying if it was a perfect number of beads. That would have been really cool. Just okay, here we go. So I'm going to tie this here. 2 strings are meeting. Okay, just let me make sure that's 4. Sometimes I do miscount. I don't know about everybody else, but my mind does drift and wander off when I'm making candy. So I start counting Okay, sorry, I start counting wrong. Here's my star, and it looks kind of cute just as it is. It's not the regular star with the 5 points, the 5 beads. This one is 4, so it's a little bit curvier. And I'm going to make another one of this. Okay, I'm gonna make one more. But before I do that, let me see. Before I do that, you know, no, it's fine. I'm going to take this one string and I'm going to go up these 2 beads, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, so that's meeting there. Okay, so that is my star. My other string is coming out of here. That one's not important, but this one, I want it coming out of the top. Okay, I'm going to make one more star and I'll be back. Okay, I have 2 stars now, and I'm thinking about sticking them together like this and adding a bead right there in the corner. So let's see if that is going to work. So I have my string here coming out of the corner. I'm going to take a bead. I'm going to go through this other star right here. So it's going to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Okay, and then that's going to connect with that bead right there. I am sorry. Sorry. I'm debating whether I want to do that opaque bead or a clear bead, but you know, I'm just going to do this one so it's easier to see. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the first star again, and I'm going to go through, let's see, here we go. Let's go look and go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's pull this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just repeat, and I'm going to keep, weaving these beads together. It looks like these pony beads are kind of like, if you look at it from the side, they're a little bit more long. They're not round, but they're long. So if you have a small bead that's rounder, this would probably look better for the connection. So I'm going to go through 5 beads. And add a bead. I'm going to go through the 5 beads. I'm really curious how this is going to look in the end. Kind of excited. I really enjoy having like an idea and making it come to life. And I'm going to say, a lot of times those ideas don't work. And I have to redo it, and sometimes I make accidents, and that actually turns out to be a blessing, because then I come up with a new look. Like that's kind of what happened with the Christmas trees. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Interesting, interesting. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to stick out this much, but I'm gonna go with it. I think it's cute. If oh, okay. I think that if I was to redo this and just do it again, I would stitch, instead of using a middle bead here and the middle bead here, I would just use one bead and weave these two hearts together. But it's almost time for my children to wake up, so I gotta wrap this up. See, like yeah, like it would be so cute if this middle was not okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up again because I do want to tie this off. Now the bead, the balance is a little bit off just because there's only one string going in, so the tension is pulling the bead in one direction. So if I was going to be a little bit more careful, I would just go through all the beads and string it. See, because when I pull the bead, the string, the tension the other way, the bead will straighten out a little bit, versus this guy right here that's being pulled in one direction, so the bead is curving. So okay, I'm just gonna go back. Let's do this. I am going to string through all the beads. Go through that yellow bead. I'm just fixing the fixing the corner beads here so that they're not looking in weird directions. The string is getting a little bit short. I do have this other string. I'm just going to use the other string right now. I need to go up. And let's see, this one is going to go this way. Oops, no, that's not right. We are going the wrong way. I'm going to go this way. Yeah. Sorry about that. My alarm just went off, so it stopped the recording. Okay. So I'm going to go through this middle bead here. And all I'm doing right here is just weaving the string in and out of beads so I could put these two stars together. Okay. Okay, so I have a meeting point. The two strings are meeting. All the beads are weaved together, and I'm going to tie this single knot, double knot, single knot. Okay. Going to apply some clear nail polish on that knot, and then I'm going to string this through just the next bead over. Oops. I guess 2 beads. Let me make the cut here. Okay, and that is my star. Let me fix this tension of the beads a little bit. Okay. Sorry, my throat is, I'm sorry for clearing my throat over and over. Okay, so you know what? This is actually turning out better than I thought, because at first, when I did this, these beads right here were facing this way. But when I pulled the string through the second time, it changed the direction of these beads. So now they're more horizontal, which makes the stars closer together. So the gap is less. And I think that was a happy little accident. And I think this looks really good. Okay, so yeah, there is my star. I do like the clear beads that I used. I think it came out super cute. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy holidays, everyone.